Let's go. Jai. Yo, what up? Welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all already know what time it is. I just got a package that is gonna make the Audi run pretty good. Now I'm gonna explain you what's going on. So I went and de-muscled everything I needed to do, spark plug, wires, everything else. But the car has been throwing P2015, something like that. I'm not sure. I'll put it down right here. So the car been throwing that. So it says it's the intake manifold running, whatever. So I'm gonna put it right here as well. So I went ahead and ordered one from, look at these, y'all. I went ahead and ordered from Amazon because, see, so this car mostly gonna be a daily, and my girl's gonna be riding around with it most of the time. So there's really no point to do anything, you know, any major upgrade on anything on the car right now. Once she get another car, then of course definitely we're gonna start, you know, probably drop a new engine in and on, or whatever the case may be. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on with the new intake manifold I just ordered. Well, looking like a oof, but it's all good though. It's still looking good. But let me go ahead and show you what's going on. All right, yeah. So here's the package that it came in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and we're gonna see what's going on. Look, I'm just making hard on this box, bro. Bam. All right, y'all. So this is the new one. Actually comes with everything. You know, so you can tell, see the flap on this. I don't know if you can see it that much, but you can see how the flap actually move on this one. So on the other one, the flap is like completely stuck in the back, like all the way pushed back. Also, I noticed that this is different from the other one. The other one is like just hooked in there. So I guess that's a new upgrade on it. So hey, that helps. This comes with the solenoid. Alright, so I went ahead and took everything out. I still gotta take out the injectors and clean them off a little bit. But I'm gonna see if I have any tools so I can use it to take this out. So let me go ahead and get that, and so I can go ahead and get to it. Alright, y'all, so I went and tested this sensor. This joker goes right back over here on this right here. So I want to test it out. So it seems to be good, so I'm gonna put it right back in there. Go ahead and move that down. Putting these right back in there. Yep. Put this baby back in. Now, I was told not to tighten this up, like, you know, way too much, because I might fuck up the thread. So that's what we doing, you know, making sure Snaps it tight. Just gonna go ahead and tighten the wrist. For whatever reason, I'm OCD, so I like to make sure things are straight. So now I gotta remove this hose. I remove the fuel rail, which I have no idea how to take it out. So you're going to see about that. All right, y'all. So to remove the fuel rail, you gotta take this out, anyways. Don't be like me. I'm over here going crazy trying to take this out, and then couldn't find any way to do it. So, yep, gotta get rid of these first. So these can easily come out. So you can see that it's technically out. Gotta remove this as well, and then yeah, we can go ahead and take this baby out. Let me set y'all up real quick. All right, I set y'all up. My bad. All of the taking is in there. It's all over the place. So now we get to remove this joker. Actually, you don't have to do all of that. So there's 2 pins at the top right here. Two little pin goes in the back of this. In the back of this right here. Let's see if it focus. See this little pin right here? It's on both sides, so that's what's hold that whole fuel rail on top of the other thing. So my smart self couldn't figure it out until now, but hey. It is what it is. I figured it out. So that's what matters. Fuel rail is out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out, and then we're gonna proceed to putting that in a new one and putting everything else back on. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish. I'll see you in a minute. All right, y'all. So I want to put it back together. There it is. This is a new one. With the throttle body, all of the hoses, injector, rails, and everything else. So, try to take out these injectors to clean them up, but I don't have anything to take it out with. Not sure, don't want to break them, so I just clean it up the best I can. Then, yep, the intake manifold is going right back in. I'm finna take this because without me taking this, it's really hard for me to put on the intake manifold because this sensor be heating and I don't want to break it either. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. All right, y'all, so she's finally in. Like I said, excuse me, it took me a while because that joker was hard as hell to put in. Didn't realize that one of my bolts under here was stripped a little bit, like all the way at the top, so it wasn't like screwing in all the way. So I have to go to Home Depot or Lowe's and find me another bolt like that that actually, long enough, I'll say. So that I'm gonna have to deal with tomorrow or maybe later in a little bit, so. But so far she's in, everything is in there, y'all. I've been at this for the past hour and a half. I took the joker off twice. Actually, not 3 times, so hey. All right, y'all, let's go for a little test drive. Okay, all right, she pushing a little bit. All right, that's a lot better, bro. That's a lot better. I got the ABS, traction control on, crazy, a whole bunch of stuff on, but it is what it is. Ugh. Let's go back. Let's go. Hey, y'all. It's on, baby. Let's go. Look at this. Look at sitting right in front of me. Look at that. And resetted the codes and everything. Went to the auto parts store, resetted the code. Now let's see. Oops, there you go. Let's go. Let's go. I got the airbag services due. I have to reset all of that stuff. But pretty much, we all good, y'all. We all good. So, I don't hear no misfire or anything like that. I actually went ahead and cleaned the headlights a little bit. So, y'all already know, man. Stop playing with us. Stop playing. I got a new headlight on the way on this side since this one is cracked, but I'm gonna use that one for a while. So, I won't have to spend, break it or anything like that. I still gotta fix that dent over here. So, I had to pull that out. But pretty much, y'all, this is it, baby. This is definitely it. All I need is the damn hood because that one looks horrible. It's okay, to ride around, but it looks horrible. I need a new one. So, y'all already know, y'all. That actually did fix it. Let's see if the light come back, then we have to mess around with the cylinder 1 and 3, which was the one giving us the most trouble the whole time. So hopefully that's gone. So y'all already know, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Your boy definitely need this. And y'all already know what time it is, man. I'll see you on the next one.